Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Raspberry Pi Pico based multi-sensor data acquisition system with Labview and ZigBee. So ZigBee transmitter module and desktop it is connected with the ZigBee receiver module. Raspberry Pi Pico, and here we are using 16x2 LCD display, RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 GPIO pin, general purpose input output, and I am using three sensors, MQ7, MQ135 and MQ4, and CO sensor, carbon monoxide sensor, and an NO2 sensor and methane gas sensor. Those are connected with ADC0, ADC1 and ADC2, GPIO 26, GPIO 27, GPIO 28 pin numbers. This is my block diagram, and ZigBee module, it is connected to the computer, and here this is my Labview. So serial communication, serial visa card, and reading data 24 bits, number of digits is 24, read buffer, and I am displaying the data with individual. So one is CO meter and NO2, read display, read data, sensor data display here on the monitor, and NO2 sensor. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, one LED. So this regulator for Raspberry Pi and LCD and ZigBee module. So another power supply for these three sensors. So here same bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, one LED, 16x2 LCD display, ZigBee transmitter module, and MQ7, MQ135 and MQ4 sensors. So now I am air pollution monitoring using Labview. So sensors data. So here we have to go for the run. Okay. Yeah. So sensor data is coming. Okay. So this is CO meter. Okay, NO2. So now I am taking some gas. Okay, methane gas 368. Okay, yeah, 368, and value is also coming G 368, 318, 204. Okay, so now same NO2 also 331. Okay, NO2 331. Okay, and CO meter. Okay, now values is decreased. Power supply transformer, 230 input step down transformer, 9 volts output AC, power supply module, Raspberry Pi Pico module, 16x2 LCD display module, ZigBee transmitter module, and ZigBee receiver module, and here MQ7 CO, MQ135 NO2, MQ4 methane gas sensor, and power supply module. And this is my Labview monitoring. Okay, it increased. NO2 351. Okay, $275. And we can add in this DHT temperature and humidity sensor also. We can add DHT sensor. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to svsembedded.